Hi all, in this video I would like to explain the second application or the second type of specialized satellite application, that is VSAT. It is a short form of Very Small Aperture Terminal, that is VSAT, and it is a satellite communication system that serves mainly the domestic and business uses, that is home and business uses. As its name indicates, that is a very small aperture terminal. That means uh, it employs only a small antenna, or that is less than 2.4 meter in diameter. And in this VSAT application, the earth station, there is a small earth station, small telecommunication earth station that receives and transmits the real-time data using satellite. It is specially issued for certain specialized application, and this VSAT transmits narrow and broadband signals to the orbital satellites, and the data or the signal from the satellite is then transmitted to different hubs, that is different locations in the involved in this application, that is in the VSAT application. The data from the satellite is then retransmitted to different hubs that may located in other locations. And I have already told, that is the main feature or the main advantage of this VSAT system is that the earth station antennas are typically less than of 2.4 diameter, and the main users or typical user community of this specialized type, that is VSAT, very small aperture terminal type of satellite applications, are banking and financial institutions, airline booking service or hotel booking agencies, and many large retail agencies, and their, if their outlets are geographically dispersed at different locations, they are the main or the potential customers of this VSAT, very small aperture terminal. And the basic structure of the VSAT network consists of a hub station, and this hub station can provide broadcast facility to all the VSAT networks, or all the VSAT stations in the network that may involved in that particular network. And these VSATs themselves access the satellite in some form of multiple access mode. There are different types of multiple access modes in VSAT also. They employs different kinds of multiple access modes, and this hub station can be operated by the service provider. Who is the service provider of a particular VSAT application or VSAT? That service provider can access or operate the hub station, and it may be shared among different types of or number of users. And this each user organization has exclusive access to its own VSAT. If a particular institution have purchased or are using a particular VSAT network, they have exclusive access to that particular network. And the TDM, time division multiplex, is normal downlink mode of transmission used in VSAT, and the transmission can be broadcast for reception by all the VSAT, very small aperture terminals in a network, or certain addressing modes or addressing code can be used to direct messages to the VSAT terminals. And on the other way, that is access from the VSAT to the hub, is very complicated. It is very easy to access hub to the VSAT, and the reverse, that is from the VSAT to hub access, is very complicated. That's all about the basic working or the basic about VSAT, very small aperture terminal. It is a kind of specialized application of satellite communication. Okay.